Nangita ba mo og lami nga barbecue ug nindot nga ambience nga kan-anan? Atak na mo sa Pier sa poblasyon Argao. Didto makapili mo og klase-klaseng barbecue na ay hotdog, chorizo, isaw, atay sa baboy ug manok, pork barbecue ug naa sad sila'y pork fat. Kung nangita mo og asa mo manihapon, lahos na mo sa Pier sa Argao. Affordable barbecue by the sea ug syempre preskong hangin og bugnaw na palibot samtang nangaon mo sa inyong pamilya ug barkada. By the way, they sell barbecue every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday ug Saturday, and they usually open 5:30 p.m. and close at around 9 p.m. on weekdays and usually close 11 p.m. during Saturdays. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you can support our beloved barbecue seller sa Pier sa Argao. Don't forget to react, comment, and share this video to show your support. Thank you once again for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye!
Ooh, yeah. Forget about your problem and theirs. Forget about your trouble.